In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your work location in Google Calendar. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to communicate where you'll be working on any given day. It means less confusion for your colleagues and helps you manage your scheduling more effectively. So let's jump right into it. First, you need to head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this easily by navigating to calendar.google.com and logging in with your Google account. Once you're there, you'll see your weekly calendar view. This is the starting point where we'll make all our modifications. Next, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see a gear icon. This is the settings icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This is where we will adjust your work location settings among other calendar preferences. Now take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a section labelled General. Under this, find Working Hours and Location and click on it. This area is dedicated to setting up when and where you work, a key feature for maintaining a clear schedule. At this stage, make sure you check the box next to Enable Working Hours. This step is crucial because it activates the feature that lets you specify your working hours and locations. Without this, your efforts to set your work location won't be reflected in your calendar. With that done, you'll notice a list of days of the week. What you'll need to do is select the specific days you work. This is particularly useful if you have a non-traditional work week or different work days from the standard Monday to Friday schedule. After selecting your work days, it's time to specify your work location for each one. For every day you've selected, you'll see options such as home, office, unspecified, or the ability to type in a custom location. You can easily change these settings to reflect where you'll be working on each day. It's important to be accurate as this impacts how your calendar and notifications will be displayed. Lastly, you don't need to worry about saving because Google Calendar automatically saves your settings. Just make sure everything looks good and reflects your typical work week accurately. There you have it. You've now set up your work location in Google Calendar. This setup not only gives you a better overview of your week, but also keeps everyone in the loop about where you'll be working. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy scheduling.